Welcome to TVision. Self-installation with TVision is easy. In this video, we'll show you how to set up your main gateway and any additional light boxes you may have. Once you've received your self-installation kit, be sure to check the box for the following: a power cord, a power brick, your main set-top box, also known as the gateway, your remote, an Ethernet cable, 2 AAA batteries, an HDMI cable, and your install and user guide. If you're missing any of these, please contact our award-winning customer care team so we can resolve the issue. While our smaller light boxes are wireless, the gateway box needs to be connected directly into your home's network. The most common way to do this is to have access to a router or a connected Ethernet port in the wall. Be sure to plan the location accordingly, or move your router before you begin. Once you've decided where you want your gateway box, you can begin the setup. Let's start with the HDMI cable. Plug one end of the HDMI cable into the port on the gateway labeled HDMI out, and the other end into an HDMI port on your TV. Some UHD or 4K televisions have a specific 4K HDMI input. Be sure to plug the gateway into this one to get the best picture quality. Next, the Ethernet cable. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into any of the gateway ports. And the other into the Ethernet port on your router or wall. Finally, the power supply. Plug in the power supply to the back of the gateway with the corresponding input. Then, plug the power into your wall outlet. Now, turn on your TV and select the corresponding HDMI input that you used on your TV. When you see the TVision logo and loading screen, visit the customer portal to activate service. Log in using your credentials you used when you signed up for service. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your account page. From here, click the Activate button. If you don't see a loading screen, try choosing another HDMI port on your TV, or refer to the basic troubleshooting steps in the Help section of the customer portal. If you need further assistance, our award-winning customer care team is standing by ready to help. Once activated, add the batteries to your remote. Select the primary user, or create a new one to start enjoying TV that learns you. Setting up the light box is even easier than the gateway. Before installing your light box, make sure your main gateway is on and fully activated. You can put light boxes anywhere in your home with access to a power outlet. It communicates to your gateway wirelessly. Once power is plugged in, simply connect the light box to your television with the HDMI cable, and when the loading screen is complete, select a user to begin watching. To learn more about TVision's features, be sure to check out our Help section, or if you have any issues or questions, please don't hesitate to call or visit us online. Be sure to check out our other how-to videos for more helpful TVision tips.